cue music. Part of the whole deal here. Very bottom button.
So we have uniforms here at college.
Gotta be able to talk. Alright, starting off, we have modeling our traditional uniform cat. Take note of her crisp steel blue striped her watch, name tag, her white sneakers, such classic style. See what you can do next year for me. Now we have Tina in the cold weather uniform. When it's cold, or your V-neck is a little too revealing, you're permitted to wear a light shirt underneath your scrubs. You can also wear a long sleeve shirt if you tend to get cold. Oh, man. Next we have Sam, who's modeling our formal wear. The addition of that blue wraparound lab coat makes this uniform special.
I love it.
I
love it.
In some labs like A&P, you'll be wearing that lovely lab coat.
Let's go, Gilbert.
Labs, we have the white disposable lab coat, which is worn today by Chelsea. This lab coat remains in the microscopy lab, so you don't take it and you don't take any friends home with you.
And I'm done.
You'll get to leave the living name person. Lastly, we have Amanda, the captain of the horse care team. Wearing the blue overalls, functional yet sporty, with added comfort and protection when working down at the farm or at Fox Chase.